Hello everybody, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, my name is Eddie. I'm work with Uniform Bright. I'm a uniform rental expert and a uniform expert consultant. I help in arbitration proceedings. I help to mitigate liquidated loss damage charges. I write cancellation letters. I terminate the automatic renewal clauses. I decrease prices. And I give general advice and general consulting. I am also available to be on site. I do depositions, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. We also examine and send off for testing some of the material and products that the uniform rental company is providing in order to aid us in our cancellation process. So if you're looking for an advocate, somebody to help you, and you're unfamiliar with working with cintas, aramark, alsco, unifirst, and some of these major companies, then call me. I'll be willing to help you. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and I always put out more videos to help the business owner to defend themselves against the uniform rental company. So without any further ado, just go ahead and check the channel out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I look forward to speaking with you. Talk to you soon.